Welcome viewers. In this video, we'll see the electrical wiring layout, 6th model, godown wiring. So the godown is a big place. In that, we can have 3 different lamps are available. Let us consider this is available at the beginning, at the entrance. It is available at the middle. It is available at the end. So we need to operate any one lamp is enough. While entering, we need to turn on this lamp 1. While entering into the godown at the center place, we can turn on this lamp 2. At the end, we can turn on this lamp 3. So any one lamp is required. So in this wiring, we are able to operate this 3 lamp independently. We can operate this by using the switches. We can operate this 3 lamp according to our requirement. So subscribe this channel for more electrical videos related to wiring and other topic. This material also available in the drive link. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the wiring. Now refer the diagram. So the 3 lamps available, lamp 1, lamp 2 and lamp 3. 3 different lamps are available. It is controlled by the 3 different switches. S1, S2, S3, 3 different switches are available. So here the supply is available, supply is given. 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply is available. This is a phase neutral, 2 terminals are available, phase and neutral. So the neutral always it is connected directly to the lamp. So the neutral, through the neutral link, it is connected to the lamp 1. From there one tapping is taken, that is connected to lamp 2, one end of the lamp 2. From there one tapping is taken, that is connected to one end of the lamp 3. So this neutral is connected directly to lamp 1, lamp 2, lamp 3, one end of lamp 1, lamp 2 and lamp 3. So the other terminal is controlled by the phase, controlled by the switches. So this phase always connected through the fuse and switches, because fuse is used to protect the circuit. In any overcurrent occurs, this fuse will glow, so the circuit will be disconnected from the supply. We can avoid any damaging. So it is connected through the fuse. Then connected through the switches in order to control the glow of the lamp. Lamp 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 switches are available. Now we'll see what is the connection available here. So this switch is the switch S1 is SPST, single pole, single thrown. Only one pole is available, either on or off. If it is closed, on. If it is open, if it is on off condition. But switch S2 and S3 is the single pole double thrown. Double thrown means here if you put here on condition, if you put here off condition. The double thrones are available. Here only one. If it is open off condition, if it is closed on condition. But here if you put here on condition, if you put here off condition. There are 2 poles are available. Here only one pole is available. Now we'll see how to control the lamp. So our aim is, while entering the godown, we need to operate this lamp 1. While going inside, we need to operate L2. While going at the end of the godown, we need to operate only L3. That is our aim. So while entering this one, lamp 1, while going to the middle, lamp 2, while going to the end, we need to operate L3. Right? L1, L2, L3. Now we'll see how it is operated by using the switch. So the phase is connected to one end of this terminal. Then it is connected like this. It is connected to another terminal. This on is connected to lamp 1. This off condition is connected to next switch. Again this on condition is connected to lamp 2. This off condition is connected to lamp 3. Now we will see how the circuit is closed, how the supply is given to the different lamp. The switch S1 is the main switch. If you turn on S1, then only we can operate the entire operation. If S1 is in off condition, these 2 switches will not work out. We cannot operate the switches. Right? So the S1 is in on condition, we can go to control S2 and S3. If S1 is in off condition, the entire circuit is disconnected. so we cannot go anything, right? So first we will consider this S1 is on condition. S1 is in the on condition. We will consider that S2 also on and S3 also in on condition, like this, all are in the on condition. So what will happen if S1 is on condition, supply is given, this circuit is closed on condition, so it will go to the switch S2. What will happen here? It is in on condition, so the supply will go to the lamp 1, so the lamp 1 will glow. When S1 is on condition, S2 also on condition, S3 also on condition. S1 on condition means supply will close here, it will go to the switch S2. Here S2 is connected to lamp 1, so the lamp 1 will glow. Now what we are doing, we are turn off this switch S2. This switch S2 is off, so circuit is now closed here. This supply is disconnected. The supply is given to switch S3. Where S3 is connected to the second lamp. So now the second lamp will glow. First lamp will be disconnected because this end is connected here. It is turned off. Circuit will, the second lamp will glow. If the third switch also in off condition, so what will happen? Already this is in on condition, this is in off condition, so the supply will come here. Here also off condition, the supply will go to the third lamp. So the third lamp will glow. So what we need to do while entering the godown, we need to turn on this switch S1. So automatically lamp 1 will glow. Then while entering into the center place, we need to turn off this second switch, so that lamp 1 will be off condition, lamp 2 will be on condition. While entering into that the end, this will be in off condition. We need to put this in off condition, so the lamp 3 will glow, right? So that we can operate this lamp 1 initially, lamp 2 middle, lamp 2 at the end. Suppose the switch S1 is in off condition, we cannot do anything. So the supply is disconnected. This S2, S3 cannot be operated. All the lamps are in off condition. Now we'll see the tabular column so that you are able to understand easily. One tabular column is available. See this on condition. First 3, S1 is on condition, so that we can operate the lamp. If S1 is off condition, while making the switch S2 or S2 either on or off, on and off, all the lamp will be in off condition, right? If S1 is off, all the lamp will be in off condition only. See the upward direction for on, downward direction for off. Suppose if S1 is on, first 3 condition, S1 is kept in on condition. S2, S3 also in on condition, so lamp 1 is glowing. If S2 is put in off condition, lamp 2 will glow. If S3 is put in off condition, lamp 3 will glow. So we can operate this. This is lamp 1, lamp 2, lamp 3. By operating, S1 is on, S2 is off, S3 is off, so that we can operate like this. According to our requirement, we can operate. So we need to follow the standard color. For phase, we need to use the red color cable. For neutral, we need to use the black color cable. For earth, we need to use the green color cable. The incandescent lamp what we are using, 60 watts, 230 volt supply rating. So if you decide the rating, then only we can go for other requirements. Now we need to see what are the procedure we need to follow. The phase wire always connect in fuse and switches only. That is, neutral is connected directly. Phase wire always connected through the fuse and switches in order to protect the circuit and also control the circuit. Protect the circuit with rated fuses. Based on this rating, we need to decide the rating of the fuse. The rating should not more or should not less. We will see some more precautions. Insulation of wire and end of the conductors are very close to the terminals. So we should not remove more insulation. It should be, we need to remove what are the requirement, that amount of insulation should be removed, and there should be a closeness between the wire and terminal, so that we can avoid open circuiting and avoid the shocking. Avoid over tight and breakage of accessories while making the connection. We should not go for any over tight. Now we'll see what are the requirement of the wiring for this go down wiring. The PVC contact pipe we need 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter size we need 165 centimeter. The dimension available in the diagram, based on that we can decide it is we need 165 centimeter. PVC junction box 3-way we need 1 number. 4-way we need 2 numbers. So this is also 20 millimeter. The pipe is 20 millimeter, automatically junction box also 20 millimeter. Neutral link we need 16 ampere 240 voltage 1 number. Fuse unit 16 ampere 240 voltage 1 number. PVC box 4 into 4 inch 3 numbers are required. PVC insulated copper wire 1 square millimeter. 1 square millimeter is enough because we are using only one lamp at a time. That is required 165 centimeter. So this one decided based on the dimension available in the diagram. Steady batten holder 5 ampere 230 volt 3 numbers required. SPST switch, that is S1. S1 is the single pole single throw on off, that is required 1 number. SPDT, the 3 terminals available, one is supply there, another 2 on and off, the 2 numbers required, S2 and S3. Then metal saddle we need 20 millimeter size 10 numbers. Then steel screw 13 into 4 millimeter 12 numbers, 25 into 6 millimeter 34 numbers, 38 into 6 millimeter 3 numbers. So these are all the requirements. So in this video we discuss about the go down wiring, operating the 3 lamp available in the go down according to our requirement. It can consider as one lamp is kept at the door, one lamp kept at the center, one lamp kept at the end of the go down. Those 3 are operated independently. Subscribe this channel for more electrical videos related to wiring and other topics. The material link is available in the description box. Thank you.